Hey Galaxy fans, want to give your Samsung S25 Ultra a fresh new vibe? In today's quick video, I'll show you two awesome TikTok wallpaper hacks that will make your phone stand out. So one for cool live wallpapers and one for eye-catching static wallpapers using AI Select. If you enjoy wallpaper customization and Samsung tips, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel and drop a comment with your favorite wallpaper style. It really helps support the channel and keeps the content coming your way. So let's begin. So the first feature is where you can download cool wallpapers from TikTok on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can save trending wallpaper videos or screenshots on TikTok and crop them and convert them to use them as a wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next, you want to go ahead and search. You want to go ahead and search for 4K wallpaper live. Now you want to go ahead and find the wallpaper you're looking for. So let's just say, for example, this one here. Now you want to go ahead and copy the link for this wallpaper. So go ahead and tap on share and then go ahead and tap on copy link. Now once that's done, press home, go to your Play Store, search for the following app called SnapTik. Go ahead and download this app. This app will basically download the TikTok video without any watermark. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Once you open the app, it'll basically detect that you have a TikTok link. So it'll basically start to download it. Go ahead and tap on no watermark. And this will download the video to your phone. Now go ahead and open up gallery. And now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on the three dots, tap on set as wallpaper, and then go ahead and tap on lock screen. Now here you can go ahead and configure the clock, make it a bit smaller so you can see the subject. You can go ahead and tap on trim and trim how much of the wallpaper you want. So it's a 10-second clip, tap done. Once you're happy, tap done. And now that wallpaper has been selected as your lock screen. So this basically gives you access to trending, viral, high quality wallpapers that aren't available on the traditional wallpaper apps, and it's totally free of charge. Feature number 2 is where you can set wallpapers from TikTok using AI Select. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use AI Select tool in your Samsung photo editor and you can extract moving visuals or elements from TikTok videos or photos and you can apply them as your wallpaper. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and bring out your S Pen. Next, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. In TikTok itself, you want to go ahead and search for cool phone wallpaper. Go ahead and find the wallpaper you require. So let's say this one here. Now to get rid of all of these overlays on screen, you want to go ahead and long press on the screen and then find clear mode. So this will remove everything. Now using your S Pen tool, select AI Select. This will now select that wallpaper. Go ahead and tap on the three dots and then tap on set as wallpaper. This will now set that as a wallpaper for your lock screen and your home screen. So we'll go ahead and deselect for lock screen. We just want it for our home screen. Tap next, tap done. Go ahead and choose if you want the color palettes or not, and then tap on apply. Now if you press home, you'll see that wallpaper has been applied to your Samsung S25 Ultra. So your lock screen or your home screen becomes dynamic and personalized with animated or non-animated visuals that reflect your personality. And it looks amazing in motion. And that's it. 2 super easy hacks to completely transform the look of your Samsung S25 Ultra using just TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with what wallpaper themes you're rocking right now. Your support is what keeps this channel alive. Not many are subscribing yet, and your help means the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.